Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I absolutely love my nighttime skincare routine. And I also have sensitive skin, so I love including any products that are going to help me with that. So that is why I am super pumped to have recently added this Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair Cream to my routine. This cream comes in this beautiful, heavy glass blue jar that really makes it feel like a luxury experience. It has a beautiful, rich texture without feeling greasy. After the stress of the day and whatever environmental pollutants out there or allergens, whatever, my skin really needs some TLC. This Indigo Repair Cream is just what I need to soothe and calm my skin at the end of the day. Applying it feels so relaxing, and I can personally feel results almost immediately. I've been using this cream for a few weeks now, and I have definitely noticed an improvement in my skin's texture and a decrease in redness sensitivity on my cheeks. This cream is an absolute pleasure to apply at the end of the day, and I have totally been digging the results that I've seen from it. And that's my point of view.